In previous videos, we looked at all the options available to you when creating a web page in the new Google Sites. So we've done all our work on a single page, but in most cases your sites are going to consist of more than a single page. So in order to create a new page, you come over to the Pages tab on the top and simply click the button. It's that simple. So I will call this, this is a page for the parents. So parent resources. Very, very simple web page. You'll notice that parent resources, the name of that particular page appears now up at the top, and it appears not only on that page but also on the home page. So this is how people can navigate your site. It's built right in there for you very, very easily. You have an option over on the left. Once you have more than one page, a gear will appear in this top left bar that lets you change from top navigation to side navigation. Let's see how that works. So now you can see that the links appear in a bar on the left. If we were to look at that in a phone view, okay, not as much space. This is an adaptive design, so people can click this to bring out their menu and it will disappear again. So very nice. If instead you would prefer the top navigation, and we can preview that, you can see on the phone it's just over here to the right. And you can open it up to get at whatever you need. It disappears to save space once you've arrived at the page. But if you were looking at it on a computer monitor, it would appear up here. Okay, you can make as many pages as you want. And once you have your pages created, you can reorder them simply by grabbing the bar on the left and moving them around. Also, each page comes with a few options. You can set this as your home page. So if you didn't want that first page we made to be your home page, you could change that here. You could pick any page and make it your home page. You can rename the page at this point. So it says Student Resources here, which is the link here. Maybe I just want to save some space and say Students there, and rename this page to say Parents. And you can see that those changes are made not only to the page but to the links up at the top. Also, options under pages is you can create a sub-page. So in other words, a page that's nested underneath these pages. So I'm in Parent Resources, so let me create a sub-page. And the sub-page is going to be about this class. Oh, I'm sorry, that was under Students, which is fine. I'm going to create, I don't want to be clicked on here because I'll create a sub-page under there. I want to be clicked on Students, so I can create a sub-page called Class Rules. And you can see now my menu has changed up at top so that when I mouse over, those sub-pages appear here. Okay, I would imagine that this functionality probably over time might become a little more sophisticated where you can redesignate a page, but for right now the functionality is fairly simple. You can also delete the page by saying remove here, or you can hide from the navigation. So I can have a page in here, maybe it's not quite ready for prime time, I'm not ready for people to see it, the class rules are not ready here. I can simply hide it from the navigation. And now under Students, there's really no way to get to that page. And that's all there is to it. When you're ready, you can come in here and you can show it in the navigation. It'll just appear right back where it was. The functionality of Pages is pretty simple at this point. Should be quick and easy to use.